how to turn off camera on TikTok live. If you're going live on TikTok and need to turn off your camera without ending the stream, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your camera while still being able to interact with your audience. When you're going live on TikTok, sometimes you may want to keep the audio while turning off your camera, either to maintain privacy or focus on something else during your live stream. Luckily, TikTok has an option that lets you do that. So let's jump into the steps. First, open your TikTok app and tap on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen, just like you would to create a post. Next, swipe over to the live option at the bottom. You'll see option to add a title for your live stream. Go ahead and type something engaging to let your followers know what you're doing. Once you're ready, simply turn off the camera and hit the go live button to start your stream. Now, to if you decide you want to turn your camera back on at any point during the stream, just tap the camera icon again and your video will resume. Remember, you can still interact with your viewers through comments and audio while your camera is off. And that's it. You now know how to turn off your camera during a live TikTok live stream while keeping the audio going. It's a great way to maintain privacy or focus on other things while still engaging with your audience.